Hey guys, how's it going today? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the exact software that I'm personally using for myself to create that tracking link, especially from the last video we spoke about. So the software I'm currently using right now is called ClickMagick. So this software right here is the best one of the top, I believe, one of the top software out there to help you create, your tracking, create some tracking links, to cloak your links, and to basically target which link is good for your affiliate program as well. So this one has right here, it says works everywhere you advertise, easy track entire sales funnels, which is very important. Split testing. Split testing is basically you trying out different kind of advertisements and see which one converts more, for example. Geo-targeting mobile optimization, which is good as well because you can target people using their laptop or using their phone. Add retargeting to any link, 24/7 click fraud and link monitoring, and speed accuracy, and then one-on-one support, which is good because you want a system that has very high support, customer service support, just in case you have any questions of what it works. So I'm going to send a link on the next video to if you want to start your free trial. It's a free 14-day free trial. So how it works is you can try for 14 days to see how it works to convert for your affiliate link, for example, and then you can test out, and target what countries it works, how your conversions are, how many clicks you have, and so on. So here's a couple of people experiencing about the product and giving their own testimonials about it. Definitely you can use it through Google, Facebook, Twitter, and Bing. Now let's share a couple of features it has on using ClickMagick, for example. This one has the ability to link cloak. Other trackers have that as well. 20% update monitoring, so consistently it tells you what's good clicks and what's bad clicks. Some systems don't have it. Automatic bot filtering, fraud, tracking domains, geo-targeting, split testing, which is very important. Once you're a full-time online marketer, you understand what split testing is. It's basically just keep testing things out and which one until it works. Rotators, pop-up links, timers, pixels, dynamic affiliate links as well. So many different kind of features it has to just this one little system to help you gain more revenue, gain profits as well. So it helps with split testing, the magic pop pages, nice timers too, and countdowns, the technology to create that as well for your clicks. Retargeting, dynamic affiliate links, quality analysis, contact locking, 24/7 update monitor. This is really good because again, every single day consistently I'll tell you which links are working and which links are not working. Bot filtering, all these features here. Like I spoke before, if you sell solo ads, basically it'll help you to create more filtering, bot filtering, more pop-ups as well. So this software is very awesome to use. A lot of testimonials as well. People love this system as well. You can play in these videos when you get a chance, when you see the link. Well, on the next module, I'll put the link there so you guys can sign up for your free trial and try it out for yourself. So this is what I totally recommend to use to basically cloak your personal affiliate link so you can start targeting how many clicks you have for your system. So let me just show the pricing real quick if you guys are interested in the pricing. So basically you'll pay nothing today, $0 today if you want to sign up for the free trial. And then once you're in the starter plan, it will be $12 per month paid annually up to 10,000 clicks. Well, if you're a beginner, you're just going to get started. So basically $12 a month, it should be nothing to calculate how many clicks are working, to utilize all social media platforms, and to make sure in the future, if you want to create some ads, which one's good for split testing as well. So you're going to need this for the rest of your online marketing career anyway. Standard plan is this, more features. I would just recommend the starter plan for now. That's what I have right now, up to 10,000 clicks, because you can just test it out for yourself to see if it works. And this is the COO, it's called Patrick Kelly. He said, I guarantee ClickMagick will increase your online profits or you don't pay. Even if you get to cancel during your free trial, we'll give you a full refund at any time for any reason if you don't absolutely love it. So he's guaranteeing you that these basically cloaking your link and testing out different kind of clicks is going to help you gain more profit. It is, because like I said before, if you have your own affiliate link without the tracking link, you can't tell where it's coming from. You can't tell it from US, Canada, UK, New Zealand, the tier 1 countries. You can come from different kind of countries, from South America, from India, from Asia, and you're not going to get those sales. You're going to wonder why am I not getting any sales? People are clicking on the link, they're buying, and it's not going to my bank account because you don't know where they're targeting from. You don't know if they're going from US or Canada. Maybe you need to change your social media platform, maybe change your posts a little bit more, maybe change the friends you have on your Facebook as well to target those kind of countries as well. You need to understand that tracking is very important for online marketers, trust me guys, six-figure earners use this software right here to test out which one works and to help them out to convert more to more sales as well. So this is what it is in the gist of it a little bit. But let me log into my system, guys, so you can see the inside, for example. So let me log in real quick. So basically, this is basically inside the system. So I'm gonna give you guys first look inside of my system, for example. So for today's video, it's gonna be June 29th. So I just started the day today. So that's why I don't have a lot of clicks and links, but there's there's ways for this year to talk about last month, this month, 30 days, 7 days, yesterday, and all time is when I started from now till all the way to this specific dates. So I'm gonna keep it on this section for now, just for today. So I only got a total of 6 clicks, 2 actions, 0 revenue. So I'm assuming the actions, they turn into free trials. So if they decide to pay the, I think it was $14 or $12 for the trial, then I'll get a commission. So this is, you can use this as an affiliate marketing thing as well. People are gonna need this anyway, so this is a good program to use to get more commissions as well. So I think you get 50% commissions on these sales or 30% commissions monthly. So if someone pays $14, most likely you'll get $6 commission forever, as long as they use the system. So if you're looking for something that's residual income as well, this is a perfect product to promote as well. And I'll just look at my links real quick. So right here, it tells you, this is just for example purposes. I'm not sure which date this one came from. Let's just say for today. Let's say for today, for example. This one says the EEC system default links. This is the system I'm using to promote EEC, for example, on the last modules. You guys should sign up if you haven't. It tells you how many clicks, and basically it tells you conversion rates as well. 66% conversion rate for me, so it's pretty high conversion rate, people signing up to the link. This one comes with thank you page, so not a lot of people are converting, and this is basically telling you your total average of basically the combination of your average of all your links combined to see what your average is. So this is what I'm using personally for myself for this specific login for this ClickMagick system. So if you want to understand what TC means, UC, FC, this is very important to understand as well, because you need to figure out those topics to figure out what kind of clicks and conversions you're getting to the system. So if you want to know what these are, you're going to go to the help, you're going to go FAQ, and then you're going to see this one, what are all the different columns of my link stats? Perfect, right here. So I can explain really quickly what's it really about. So TC is the total number of clicks that you receive. So how many clicks you got on your affiliate link in basically in total. The next one is UC, unique clicks your link has received. If the same person clicks your link 5 times, that'll generate 5 total links, but only 1 unique click. So if I clicked your link 5 times on, let's say Bing, let's say Google Chrome, let's say Safari, then they'll know it's coming from me, so they'll let you know that one person's clicking that link like several times. FC, flag clicks, they're basically bots. Like I said before, spam clicks, spam people trying to purchase clicks to see if your system is working. They're considered as bad clicks, flagged or blocked. So like I said before, those are the clicks that you don't want in your system. So if you don't have a tracking link, you'll never know if it's a bot click. You'll never know it's a spam click. You'll never know something that can hurt your affiliate program. Letter A is actions. So this could be whatever type of non-sale conversion you want to track. You can only see something if you set up conversion tracking, get at least 1 conversion. Action is actually clicked on a link and taking action on the offer, so it's very important too. ACR, action conversion rate. So this is the number of unique actions divided by unique clicks, expressed as a percentage. So this is basically targeting your actions, dividing by unique clicks, and giving you a percentage of what's working, what's not. E, engagements. It can be used to track anything, such as a webinar. Just to click on a link, you only see something here. You set engagement tracking and get at least 1 engagement. So, like I said before, how much engagement you're getting that entire link, not just by the clicks, but what kind of platforms you're using. You're using from blogs, using from webinars, using from PDF files, or free ebooks you're giving to your fellow followers. The next one is ECR, engagement conversion rate. So this is a number of unique engagements divided by the number of unique clicks. This is very important to your engagement. Then we have S for sales, how many sales you get. SCR, the conversion rate of sales. These 2 things right here, these 2 sayings are the most important thing as an online marketer. So you should definitely star this if you have a notebook, and then write this down, because every marketer is going to ask you in the next module. I'm going to talk about paid advertisement. So every paid advertiser, they want to know this results. CPC, cost per click. This is how much you're paying for your traffic. So if you're paying $100 for 80 clicks, then it'll tell you how many clicks are converting to sales and see if it's your money worth it in the end, of how many clicks you're getting. You will only see something here if you enter a cost data for your link in the advanced settings section. Now the CPA, which is very important, is cost per action. This is how much you paid for each action. You only see something here if you're tracking actions, you enter cost data. So cost per click is basically how many clicks you're paying for and how many conversions you're getting. Cost per action is depending on the percentage of those clicks and turning into sales and commissions. So more clicks, more action, more sales, more conversions. So that's very important to understand and to learn. So I suggest you write this down or save this somewhere, because once you purchase ads, the solar vendors are going to ask you what is the CPC and CPA on that potential ad, so you can see how many sales you're getting as a result. So definitely look at the FAQs. It tells you a lot about where tracking links, can use ClickMagick links on social media, between ClickMagick, flagging and blocking, domain names. So many FAQs, guys. So that's what I recommend, guys. And we spoke about that on TC, UC, FC, all that stuff here. CPC, CPA, those are the main ones right here. So that's what I recommend, guys. Try out for yourself. Try out the free trial, guys. This is very important to connect this to your affiliate link and do this in order. So I'm going to put the link on the next video. I want you guys to sign up for the 14-day free trial, and I want you to see, guys, the potential of using ClickMagick as basically an affiliate source. You can promote this to other people as well and get commissions, a monthly residual income with this system as well. And everyone's going to need this anyway, because they want to track their links, they want to see what's converting for online marketers, and they want to see how to make sales on autopilot, for example. So click the link on the next video, sign up for ClickMagick, and I'll see you guys on the next module.